Hello, my name's Mark Coutange. I'm an associate professor with the Department of Psychology and a research scientist with the Learning Research and Development Center here at the University of Pittsburgh. Today, I'm going to talk about the role that sleep plays in memory formation. We'll talk through why sleep can become one of the biggest assets as a student, and I'll explain why I think you should treat sleep as a key resource that you can leverage to improve your exam performance. So in both exams and real-world scenarios, we often need to apply our knowledge flexibly and creatively. Many exams don't just ask us to regurgitate facts, but have us actually apply what we've learned to new problems. And the difference between flailing and successfully linking material with a question can come down to how you learn something and the subsequent night's sleep. So while we sleep, various processes take place in our brain to consolidate newly learned information. In fact, it's possible to observe a sequence of neuronal activity being replayed when a mouse goes to sleep. Our own brains likely do the same, essentially rehearsing information but at an accelerated pace. In fact, in recent work, we found that more than just strengthening memories, sleep transforms material to give us a leg up when we later need to use it. We've shown research participants wildlife videos featuring animals moving about in their natural habitat, and we then probed their memories for those events. We tested our participants' memories for half the videos immediately after watching, and then the other videos 12 hours later. By having some participants experience sleep and others experience wakefulness during that gap, we were able to look at how the presence of sleep affected their later recall of the video events. And we found the set of participants who had spent the 12 hours awake showed a notable decrease in the details that they could recall, while those who slept did not, suggesting this post-learning sleep was protecting the information from memory decay. So apart from getting more sleep, how can students help structure their memories? Well, when studying, particularly before bed, review any new material in the context of related concepts. So your brain is well placed to then organize the material in a way that lets you access your memories in new ways. So for instance, perhaps you're learning about a social psychology phenomenon. Well, re-reviewing other social psychology theories at the same time, even briefly, will make it more likely that your brain then draws relevant connections when you then sleep. Additionally, try to spread out your study sessions across the semester so you have many nights of sleep to consolidate this new information. Your exam performance is likely to be better after 10 hours of study intermixed with 9 nights of sleep than after one very long study session. So when your exam asks you to apply those social psychology theories to a brand new fictional social interaction at, say, a coffee shop, your brain will be able to flexibly apply what you've learned to this completely novel scenario. Give your sleeping brain the ingredients it needs to create a structured set of memories that you can later draw on. Instructors can also help students by explicitly pointing out connections between new information and material covered in past sessions. Our brain may be excellent at drawing connections and consolidating important information, but it doesn't hurt to explicitly point these out. And this will make it more likely that your students' hippocampi will prioritize and stabilize those pieces of information. So to summarize, don't forget that one of the strongest weapons in your studying arsenal is sleep. Give your brain a chance to help you by letting it integrate material into memory so it can be easily retrieved when you later need it most.